Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to earn money with flamzy.com. It's easy, just like a lottery program. First go to your browser, on search type flamzy.com, press search, go to flamzy. As you can see, I already signed. I'll sign out for you. Log out. Go to, press to profile. Press sign in. People have to sign in with your Facebook account. As you can see, I have signed in. It's written my name. There are 4 options: home, winners, prizes, profile. Friends, this is a dashboard. Here you have 0 entries, maximum 2 entries. Just to press enter, draw here. As you can see, this is a video of YouTube. After watching 87 seconds, you have to verify the video, whether it's music or talking video, pop sing, and none. After, if you do it 6 times, you will get 1 entry. I'll go back. I'm not doing it right now. It takes it will take too long. Maximum 2 entries. Time left to enter is 4 minutes. After every 10 minutes, after 10 minutes you can enter, and every 10 minutes you can win prizes, today's prizes. This is home, this is winners. I did not play yet. This is prizes. You have $0.02 in your account. PayPal or bank wire needs. If you win big prize, you get $100 gift card. PayPal, you can cash out through PayPal, 0.02. If you win a gift card, redeem, press redeem. Share your link. Invite 2 friends and unlock redemption forever. You need to invite friends. Here you can copy the link, share a link with your messenger or Facebook or Twitter, whatever. Invite 2 friends and you can redeem your prize, whatever you win. Guys, I'll go to dashboard. Here is the winner prizes. Here is the winners. If you have win, it will show you here you have win dollars. So that's it, friends. I'll put my referral link in the description, so you can sign up with my link. I just need two as a redeem. I just need two people, so I can redeem my cash. Until now I have 0. You can see the progress. It's empty here, white. So that's it, friends. You should invite more and more. As you invite friends and earn money more and more, you will get prizes more and more from your referrals, from your invite friends and family. So that's it, friends. I'll see you. Goodbye, friends.